What's up, Hunter? I just went into one of these battles that's going. Welcome back to Brig Bro 10. Change my name, that's fine. Still watching. But anyway, that's really it. We're in a battle. Looks like it must be dominate. Winning also. AD2. Go. Quick. Louise smoking. I'm not going home. Thought he could live. Got him. I'm out of ammo. How am I supposed to do it? Only I can't. Great, and now I'm being. Dang it. Got multiple people, too. Then I got this. We gotta get back in. We're gonna win, I think. Dog. Help. Coming. Did I drop a bomb on the harbor? Good, I could just be like, eee.
The enemy has captured the airfield. We need to act and fast.
Me too. Yes. -5, or maybe I down. I think I hit him. Close. missed it.
The enemy has captured the airfield.
Hey, buddy.
Act fast.
No, 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 no. I'm gonna follow this. The way.
The enemy has captured the airfield. We've got to regain control of it immediately.
He's got the same idea I do. And
Attack the A point.
I don't want. I'm gonna dive harder than I can. Harder than I.
Captured the airfield. We must not let the enemy recapture it.
Right there. See, I'm already starting to put my gear down. Takes forever. My kid's still going out. Look at it. Close there. That it? Yep, okay. Now we can land. Air capture shore, what the heck does that mean? Eye for eye? I don't. I get that.
The enemy is winning.
No! No! What in the world? I think I might crash. Bye bye, Hunter. Well, that's the end of this video. Peace out.